To a stone carver, this coarse block holds within it a new form waiting to be revealed. To the naked eye, it is solid, but to science, it is a swirling, seemingly chaotic mass of tightly woven energy. Both versions of reality are true, and both require highly trained minds, skilled hands, and the proper tools and workspace to bring their subjects to light. Whether the research seeks to unravel the origins of the universe, targets the internal structure of matter, or examines the genetics of disease, each subject will only reveal its true form to the quickest of minds with the sharpest of tools. In research facilities across Canada, and now in international centres around the globe, the Canada Foundation for Innovation is providing access to the world-class research space and equipment that is the nexus of innovation. Whether the goal is to build safer aircraft, design emission-free automobiles, or peer inside living cells, neutron scattering technology can be a benefit to many research disciplines. This massive construction site will soon be home to the world's most powerful source of neutron beams for materials research. The Spallation Neutron Source in Oak Ridge, Tennessee, will allow Canadian researchers and their international partners the ability to study materials at the atomic level without damaging the materials. Neutron scattering technology permits examinations which are currently impossible to perform, such as analyzing the moving parts in machinery.
The Spallation Neutron Source will be a centerpiece for material science through the first half of the 21st century, and Canadian scientists and engineers will be major players in this exciting science project. We will be involved in developing 2 new neutron instruments with unprecedented capabilities for discovering the microscopic origin of the properties of materials. We expect to exploit this knowledge to develop the next generation of materials for a wide range of applications, including information processing, transportation, energy storage, and medicine.
The spallation process employs an immense tunnel called a linear accelerator, where hydrogen ions are projected at enormous speed into an accumulator ring. The ring concentrates the ion stream into an intense beam that is then targeted at free-floating atoms of liquid mercury. The resulting collision produces an abundant supply of neutrons for materials research. The neutrons are then channeled along 24 beamlines to power research stations positioned around the central distribution hub.
The Spallation Neutron Source will provide the most intense pulse neutron beams in the world and is expected to attract between 1,000 and 2,000 users each year from all over the world. By collaborating with international institutions early on, we hope to bring the world's knowledge and expertise to the development stages of the facility. Working with the Canadian research community and the Canada Foundation for Innovation expands the scope of research that will be conducted here at SNS and opens the door for greater scientific discoveries in the future.
At Oak Ridge, Canadian researchers are assured of 10 years' access to the most advanced neutron facility in the world. Neutron scattering technology will enable them to participate fully among the front ranks in international materials research. Just as artists need the studio space and the proper tools to complete their craft, so too do research scientists require the apparatus and facilities to enable their quest for new knowledge.
The Canada Foundation for Innovation is very interested in ensuring that Canadians not only have the tools to do their own research, but in our programs to do with international work, we want to be sure that they have the opportunity for collaboration, and this will open many, many doors with other institutions in other parts of the world.
By fully participating in large-scale collaborative research programs, Canadian researchers and their international partners continue to steadily reshape the raw materials of observation and theory into new worlds of understanding.